We're going to have a look at how we can use the graphing function to check solutions for a modelling question. So this is a reasonably standard quadratic modelling question. And general things that you tend to find with these are maximum points, minimum points, roots, and then there'll be some second piece of information which then usually you solve to find an intersection. So the first thing we're going to do, we'll go to graphing, which is 5, and we will put in our function, so 11x minus 4.9x squared, and press execute. And then we're going to draw it. Now, once you've drawn it, that's fine. Remember, you can move around with the arrows. Just going to move up so I can see it a bit clearer. That's all right. And from this, we can then find lots of pieces of information. So clicking on gsolve, we can start by finding the roots. So we can see there's one at the origin, and then use the arrows to navigate. And the next one is here. And then click gsolve again. And we can find the max point. So there's the max point. Click gsolve again. And if we wanted to, if there was a minimum, we could find a minimum. If we wanted the y-intercept, we could find the y-intercept. Now you'll notice with the question it mentions how the camera doesn't capture until it's at least 3 meters above ground level. So to help us check those answers, go back to our graphing page, and we're going to plot the line y equals 3. So we can see quite clearly that it's only going to be capturing it in this section here. So we want to know what these 2 points are. So going back to gsolve, we can now use the intersect, and it tells us that this is where the first one is, and this is where the second one is.